Hi, I'm Sharnee. I'm a Keeping It Wild trainee with the London Wildlife Trust, and today I'm going to talk about the ability to make change. We can make change no matter what, whether we're just one person or a big group. It doesn't matter what you're doing, everything you do can make change and go towards something. The People in Nature survey for England showed 85% of adults report being in nature made them happy. Environmental issues ranked as the third most important issue facing the United Kingdom during April to June 2020. Change is happening. In 2020, the majority of public reported some environmental behaviour changes. Over 2/3 of adults reduced the amount they travelled by car and 38% reduced their food waste. Small things you can do to help your mental health. Take a moment to be outside and breathe. Draw flowers, count wildlife, volunteer. Go out with your pet or a friend and discover new and exciting nature spaces. I promise you won't be disappointed. One easy thing you can do to make a difference in nature is to pick up litter. All you need is a garbage bag and gloves. It doesn't take long but can make a big difference to your environment. Wildlife won't be dependent on human scraps and will be less likely to get stuck in or eat plastic. If you respect nature and keep nature clean, other people will follow suit. Other small things you can do to help your environment. Make a bird feeder, catch public transport, stop mowing your lawn even just a patch so insects and pollinators have a place to shelter. Don't use chemicals in the garden as this can hurt wildlife. Switch to peat-free compost. Volunteer. Share your experiences for others. How to make a bird feeder. You need 2 packets of gelatin and 2/3 of a cup of hot water. Mix until dissolved. Now stir in 2 cups of birdseed. Mix until all the seeds are coated well. Next, you want to lay out cookie cutters on a smooth surface and evenly distribute the mix, making sure it's thick and well packed down. After this, you need either a cut-up straw or empty dog roll tubes, and you are going to press these into the mix off center. Pat around the tubes to get rid of the gaps. Now let sit for 3 hours or until fully set. Once the mix has set, remove the molds and tubes. Now get some string and thread it through the holes, tying a knot at the base and another at the end of the string to create your hanging loop. This is a great way to help birds find food, and it is exciting to see what birds will visit. I hope this has given you some ideas on what you can do to make change. And just remember, no one can do everything, but everyone can do something, so make your small difference now.